Okay, so I want to go over the New Zealand Swiss buy trade that I'm currently in. I put the trend report EA on the 4-hour chart. Over here on the trend report scanner here, you can see the New Zealand Swiss. The weekly and the daily are both green, and the 4-hour signal was green as well, right off of this area here, off of this red bar. It was crossing the pivot point and also the 50 here on a pullback. So I got the EA set the trade up on this candle here and just got triggered on this red candle, and then we got a pullback and started to go on the following candle here. So my original target was a 3-to-1, and I'm just going to show you how not to get married to the trade. I did readjust everything, and I'll show you why. We'll hop over to the trading view, and you can see the weekly chart. I got a signal today. We pushed up into the weekly resistance area here. I've got the alert. So what I have done is I moved this trade on the 4-hour to break even. I've readjusted my target to a 1-to-1, and I've also set up the trend report EA to look for sells within this area on the 1-hour chart based on the weekly resistance. I am being a bit picky on this one. I have the lower high and lower lows filter turned on, so as it's coming up, it's going to wait for it to go sideways a little bit and then get a reversal signal with a lower low and a lower high created, and then I'll enter a sell position depending on where we are and how high this goes. So I just wanted to show you how not to get married to a trade, and if the weekly support or resistance does get hit and you're in an opposite trade, look at covering that trade or moving your target down and readjusting the play as price action occurs. Alright, hope this helps, people. We'll talk to you later.